Good day friends. In this lecture, we will see about the operation of a class C chopper. A class C chopper is a DC to DC converter, and this can be used as a step up chopper or a step down chopper based on the operation of the switches. A class C chopper is shown here. This consists of two choppers CH1 and CH2, two diodes D1 and D2, and the load RLE. This is a two quadrant chopper. It can be operated either in the first quadrant or in the second quadrant based on how the switches are operated. Like I told in the class A and class B operation, the operation of the class C chopper can be understood by the conditions when CH1 is on, when CH2 is on. So let us see when the chopper 1 is on. When the chopper 1 is on, the first quadrant operation takes place. We can see the current flow from the source through CH1 through the load back to the source. When the chopper is off, the current flow in the load is because of the freewheeling diode. If we see the voltage, output voltage is going to be positive and the current flow is also positive. So this leads to the first quadrant operation. This is similar to a class A chopper operation, and here the motoring action can be conducted for a load. The second operation can be understood when CH2 is on and CH2 is off, like this. When the chopper 2 is on and when the chopper 2 is off, we see that the current flow in the circuit is, in the first case when chopper 2 is on, the voltage E forces a current into the circuit in the direction shown here. That is, from the load through the CH2 there is a current flow, which we see that it is in a direction opposite to that when CH1 was on. Now when this chopper 2 is switched off, the current flow will be from the load through the diode D1 back to the source. So the current flow here is from the load to the source. In the earlier case, it was from the source to the load. So if we see, the average output current can be either positive or negative based on the chopper's operation. So chopper 1 and chopper 2 should not be turned on simultaneously, as it would result in a short circuit of the supply. Class C chopper can be used for both DC motor control and regenerative braking of the DC motor. So it can be operated either as a step up chopper or a step down chopper. This image shows the conditions when chopper 1 is on and when the chopper 1 is off, the current flow. When chopper 2 is on, when chopper 2 is off. So when the first case, when chopper 1 is on and the diode D2 is conducting, we can get the first quadrant operation. When chopper 2 is on and D1 is conducting, we get the second quadrant operation. If we see the waveform, the operation of chopper 1 and D2 gives an output voltage value which is positive, and the output current is also positive. When the chopper 2 is on and D1 is conducting, the output current is negative, and we get the type B, class B operation. So class C chopper is a chopper which can be used for both the DC motor speed control as well as the regenerative braking, and it is a two quadrant chopper operating in the first and the second quadrants. Hope this explains the operation of class C chopper. Thank you.